Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, hasn't it? Anyway, today, I will show you how to jailbreak your iOS 18.5 running iPhone. First of all, let me show you my iOS version and some amazing features that I have unlocked by jailbreaking the device. Alright, let's dive in right. Open the Safari browser and search iOS 18.5 jailbreak penguin.com. Wait for the page load. Once the page gets loaded, head into the first link on the result page. Swipe down the page and find the Challex Retriever. Tap the button, Download Challex Retriever. This will redirect you to the profile download page. Download the Penguin Pro into your iPhone by allowing the profile download. Here, I'll skip the installation process. Once you completed the installation, open the Penguin Pro app from the home screen. Select Challex Retriever from the list, tap on it, and download the app. Continue the process and install it. Open the Challex Retriever. From this you can select what you want. As an example, Challex Retriever gives you jailbreak solutions, third-party package managers, iOS theme stores, and more. So, you just need to swipe right to extract the repo. Follow my steps. Challex Retriever is very easy and comfortable to use. In this video, I'll show you the Nipsu jailbreak that lets you install Cydia to Package Manager for customization. And that's it, guys. We've successfully jailbroken the device using Challex Retriever quick, clean, and powerful. If this helps you out, don't forget to drop a like and smash that subscribe button for more jailbreak tools, tweaks, and tutorials.